Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you all are very well. Welcome again in this new video. Students, क्या आपने सोचा है कि अगर आपको सुपर पावर मिल जाए तो आप क्या करेंगे? फ्लाई करेंगे? डिसअपियर? और क्या कर सकते हैं? Imagine and tell. What will you do? If you become a fairy, I think I will make the whole world beautiful. If you meet a genie, then I will make all the poor people rich. If you become a Superman, oh, I will fight against all the evils. Kids, जब आपसे आपके पेरेंट्स पूछते हैं कि आप बड़े होकर के क्या बनेंगे, तो कुछ कहते हैं कि मैं डॉक्टर, टीचर, इंजीनियर या फिर पायलट बनूंगा. But in this poem, the boy imagined himself to be an apple. So let's read and enjoy and understand the poem If I Were an Apple. Here we read. If I were an apple and grew on a tree, I think I'd drop down on a nice boy like me. This picture is about a little boy. He thinks if he were an apple, अगर मैं एप्पल होता और ट्री पे उगता, तो चाइल्ड सोचता है कि मैं किसी मेरे जैसे प्यारे से बॉय पर गिरता. I wouldn't stay there, giving nobody joy. I'd fall down at once and say, "Eat me, my boy." चाइल्ड कहता है कि मैं ट्री पर नहीं रहता क्योंकि मेरे ट्री पर लटके रहने से किसी को खुशी नहीं मिलती, इसलिए मैं ट्री से नीचे गिरता और कहता, बच्चे मुझे खा लो. लेट्स लर्न द न्यू वर्ड्स. नंबर 1, ग्रो. ग्रो मीन्स कम अप यानी कि उगा होता. नेक्स्ट इज ड्रॉप मीन्स फॉल यानी कि गिरना. Next, nobody means no one, किसी को भी नहीं. So students, let's recite the poem once again with lyrics. If I were an apple, if I were an apple and grew on a tree, and grew on a tree, I think I'd drop down. I think I'd drop down on a nice boy like me. On a nice boy like me. I wouldn't stay there. I wouldn't stay there, giving nobody joy. I'd fall down at once. I'd fall down at once and say, "Eat me, my boy." And say, "Eat me, my boy." So students, today we learned the poem If I Were an Apple. In this poem, the child thinks that if he were an apple, he would not like to keep swinging on the tree. उसके अकॉर्डिंग ट्री पे लटके रहना यूजफुल नहीं है. वो विश करता है कि वो एप्पल होता तो किसी अच्छे बच्चे के ऊपर गिरता और कहता कि बच्चे मुझे खा लो. Now it's comprehension time. Answer these questions. Question number 1. Where is the apple? The answer is, the apple is on the tree. Question number 2. Where is the boy? The answer is, the boy is under the tree. So students, learn and enjoy the poem If I Were an Apple. Now it's practice time. Write the correct option. Question number 1. Question number 1. If I were an dash. Option A, apple. Option B, onion. Question number 2. I think I'd dash. Option A, go away. Option B, drop down. Question number 3. I'd fall down at dash. Option A, anytime. Option B, once. Question number 4. What is the meaning of drop? Option A, fly. Option B, fall. That's it today. Have fun. Enjoy the poem. Thank you.